Bruh, it's pretty good. I'm not for sure if I'll buy it again, but it's pretty good. Kind of remind me of the Fanta apple drink. Do they even make that like the regular Fanta apple anymore? But it tastes like this, kind of, but less calories of. But yeah, that's how it tastes.